Ajebo.
Kiwi sense feeling body. Still smart, not if you anybody.
Do ogene mi yeruwe do ogene do. Open this door. Who dey house?
Who is that? Who is there?
Oh, Tegwolo, and you be that? Now me, your mama brother. I don't come from village.
Jesus.
Which of my mama brother?
Open the door first now. You go see me. Baba Rukewe.
Brother. Good evening. My mommy have traveled. My daddy have go to work.
No problem. I go wait for my sister.
Hey God.
What be this?
Brother, you fit go wait for your house or for village. When she come, you come.
Tegwolo. You dey pursue your uncle?
Brother, no be say I dey pursue you. You know say my mama no dey and she's not here to rescue me. The last time when you come, you snoring nearly kill me. Oh, brother. My mental health is important and you nearly scatter it. Oh, Tegwolo, you have been through a lot.
Oh, Tegwolo. I know dey snore again, no. You no see me say I don't lose small weight.
Brother,
What?
if like this you be na losing of weight.
Tegwolo, stop am door. Don't worry. I know dey snore again. I don't tell you. You know what will happen now? You go sleep for room, oh. I go sleep for parlor. No worry. I no go snore today.
Uncle, I beg you.
I don't change.
Oh God, please protect me this night. As I want to sleep, protect me for this my uncle snoring. Amen.
A few moments later.
God have mercy upon us.
Help me.
What be this?
He don't put am for gear. He don't put am for gear.
Oh my God.
Hey God, he dey use the snoring, they argue with people for dream. Oh God.
Don't know why it's going on. Here is God.
Oh, see mess, this brother don't kill us with mess.
I never expected it.
Oh, Father, let money reach quick.
Kiwi sense feeling body.
Tegwolo. I tell you, say I don't change.
Brother, true, you don't change, oh. You know they snore again. Now you they snore, they add mess. Oh, I don't die. See my eye heavy, I never sleep. And I dey go school like that. Oh, bye-bye.
Tegwolistic, what you guys went up like this?
That my mama uncle will come one time. He don't come again. Oh. If he dey snore, you go to say they argue with the gods. If they argue for the yeah. You go put out for gear. You go yes no. I first he say that one, but he go tell me I'm a change person. I said good. You go reduce him. My brother they change where he change. He dey add mess to the snoring. Your guy is going through a lot.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Tegwolo, I got you. I know you're traumatized.
I'm perturbed. My mental health have reduced. Oh!
Why your mama they come safe?
They come back tomorrow. I have 2 days to go for this suffer. Oh God, can I survive it? I'm a little boy with a small heart. I need a snoring therapist. Oh!
Don't worry, Tegwolo. We go stop the problem. I got you. I get one idea.
I hope so. You know what? Maybe keep my uncle. Because you they think like wicked person sometimes. Tega, what do you want me to do?
Okay, Tegwolo, we go use super glue. Gummy yank.
Jesus.
Ah!
Are you playing?
He have children like us. You want to kill him for his children?
Okay, Oyamo use sellotape.
No be say I like your idea, but this sellotape be like say go work. Mary, they go.
A few moments later.
Wait, make he sleep first. He don't dey sleep. He don't dey sleep. Oh, thank you, Lord. The facing yash outside.
Oh yeah, Tegwolo, hold the sellotape for that side. Come on for the yash. Press and push.
Oh my god.
We go see how this man want to do the mess today. We'll see what he want to do.
Oh, what a creative work of art.
I tell you now, no messing today.
Maybe let her make sleep. Mo go sit down for outside.
A few moments later.
Tega, that's what you call internal mess. If they mess inward.
2 hours later.
Oh, I don't wake. Tegwolo.
He don't wake up. Open door, make come outside. Brother, you no fit pass our door again. Ah, you don't fart oh. Wetin happen?
I don't know. Wetin happen? I don't add weight. Woo, plenty air in my body.
Tegwolo, he walk.
Yes, but now we do am. We block all your yash, so you have been messing inward.
Oh my god.
Yes. No peace for the wicked as you want kill me with mess. Your mess has messed you up.
Oh, Tegwolo, you sellotape my yash?
You don't know.
But I tried for you. Not be the original plan. Now super glue we want use before, but I say no. Super glue we finna lose again. But don't worry, I will help you. Tega, you hold your pin.
It dey my hand take.
Leave him.
Uncle take her for this side.
Oh, I dey fly.
Tegwolo, your uncle dey less oh.
Thank you, Lord.